All right, so we're looking here at the NASDAQ on the 2-minute chart. If we break below the 20s, I'm getting short here. There we go. There's my short signal, my stop above the 30s here. So I'm risking, that's about 14 points for this move through this low down here to the 80.01. It's my target. So right now we are short. We've got the 14 SMA right there. We've had this move down after the FOMC news, and we'll see if we get this break through the low here. Take out that low. And then we've got a previous day low down there at the 678. So 678 is the previous day low, being Tuesday. So I want to target that previous day low here, and I'll show you on a different chart. If we go right now, look at the 15-minute chart from yesterday. We've got these lows, the candles down there, 683 level, 678. I think, yeah, 677 is the low right there. So I'm going to be targeting that low for this move down here. And right now looking pretty good to get this break through. The 700s next, actually. So show you what we're looking at. We are short. The great thing about this setup too was we basically waited for this kind of reversal back up into the middle there, 730 area. And now looking for this break through 700s. I'm looking, try to take off a little bit here when we break through just to lock in some profit and get this move all the way through there, right down there to the previous day low. So very simple strategy. We're still moving right down there now. So I'm going to lock in some right there. Oops, I need to cancel that out. I'm going to lock in 5 now. Move my stop, move that actually. I'm going to put my stop actually right here above this 700 level. So I want to see this continuation right down there into the 80 level there next. So really a beautiful setup here. Everything's working out. We've got it all laid out. We've had our target. Remember yesterday, Tuesday, the low down there is our target. That's where we're heading to right now. And we'll see if we break through the 90s here next. And that 678 area is my target. The best part is, if we do get stopped out here, if this does push back up and stop us out, it's totally fine because we already locked in plenty of profit and basically guarantees that we still walk away with about $3,000 in profit here on this trade. But now we can just let it ride. Those last 5 contracts, baby. Let them ride. Let it ride. And get this move down through the 90s here next. This is the 2-minute chart, by the way. 2-minute chart. Looking for this break through the 90s here. If we can get it up. Stopped out. Still stopped out for almost $4,000 in profit there. And again, that's the 2-minute chart. This is the 1-minute chart. Maybe a little bit easier to see that breakdown. I was watching the 1-minute chart on a different chart. But basically, that break below the 20s here triggered my entry for a short. And, well, looks like now this is trying to make that low there. Let's see if it happens. We got stopped out there at the 700s, right on that little pop back up there now. But we'll see if we hit that 80 area here now. You know, sometimes these levels get front run, basically. People start trying to buy. The first person starts buying. Somebody else starts buying. And these levels can get front run sometimes. It's not always perfectly on the dot, but kind of gives you an area to target. You know, that don't want to be greedy kind of idea here. Market's still moving down, but we got stopped out. But still, not a bad trade by any means. Getting stopped out for a 15-point move there on the NASDAQ. I'll take that trade all day, every day. There it is, showing you guys a trade here, trading an Apex PA account. Trading in an Apex value, trading a 50K Apex account here, and showing you guys basically one trade idea, trading that search for the new low, or yesterday's low of day. Previous day low being our target there. Market's starting to push back up right now, actually. So might have been a long opportunity. Look at these lows there, though. Like that's gonna get taken out. That's gotta get taken out. That's too perfect. Too perfect right now. We'll see. But trying to figure out if this is another short opportunity or time to stay out opportunity. If we break below 700, I'm getting short. I'm gonna do it right there. Take this through the lows. Those lows just got to get taken out. Looking for us move down through the lows here at the 90s. I want to see this kind of do it, like get through there pretty soon. basically moving my stop very tight, kind of follow this down. So now I'm moving it into the profit, moving my stops down. So if we get stopped out, that's $1,500 still. So that's fine. We just didn't get our target, but still, it was either gonna wash right through there or maybe chop around here a little bit more, but we locked in that profit by kind of trailing it down there. So 2 for 2 right there in the afternoon session here. It's 2:33 in the afternoon on the NASDAQ. We're trading. It's 90% off with Apex. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll talk to you guys later on. Market trying to get to those new lows. Yesterday's previous day low there. Trying to get down, down, down.